is on food in McDonald's. First of all, French fries. Yeah, you're buzzing. Chicken. What is it? If it's like wet, I mean I can take wet, but if it's like crispy, yeah, I can put it in B also. Chicken nuggets. Yeah. Hot dog. Nah. There's so many bread. I finished the hot dog before the buns. This? Nah, I'm never ever buying it. Tacos.
Kasi large po yung suot ko. Size ko lang talaga dito, guys, is medium.
I'm never switching to never buy it into
29 to 33 po. 36 di madam medium. Pero since ang ano mo is if ever gusto mo maluwag as is then to fit, in 36 din ako, pwede ka din mag-large. Miss Marvin, pouch. Walang profit lang po.
yeah. Yeah, I haven't bought even that. Bro, wait. Next to chicken nuggets. Is this? No, I never haven't eaten that. Pancakes? Do. Especially if it's still hot. Yo, that's too much food. That's like a family of 40. Yeah, I can't finish that, so I'm putting it in. Sorry, everybody, but I'm putting it into D. I can't do that. Yeah. Cheeseburger. Sausages. Nah, I put it in C. Bacon. Yeah, putting it to next to chicken nuggets. Next one. This time is fast food. Wait, what did I say? Fast food. Why is root beer here? I mean too far away. Popeyes? You know what? Wait. I'm in Asia, so some like Chipotle, Jack in the Box is like it's not available. Or maybe they're just hiding like in Visayas or Mindanao. Okay, I'll just put first one is Popeyes. I mean, no, drinking too root beer. I mean, I drink root beer, but I don't want it. It tastes like toothpaste. Arby's, Chipotle, Domino's, Domino. Putting you in A. Jollibee, I'm putting you in S. Of course. KFC, we go next to Popeyes. Okay, I don't know what's that. Oh, Red Panda. Oh, what's up? I like the cook. I like the. Oh, yun! I didn't know you just open and you just get a random blessing. Jack in the Box never went to. Pizza Hut. Me and your next Domino's are both the same. Did I want to Wendy's? No. I mean, Burger King are kind of good, but only up to it. Well, who would name their restaurant Sonic? Yeah, I like your donuts. I like the donuts. Thank you, Dunkin' Donuts. Taco Bell never went to. Tornado, I never went to. In and Out, I never went to. This and this. McDonald. Both legends. Jollibee and also McDo. They're both the same anyway. This one is yeah, One Piece arcs. Ace Blue. I guess yeah, sure. Drum Island, kinda boring. Works. No. Scapia. Yeah. David Dog Fight. I haven't not watched it, but I think it's recommended like Water 7.
I fall asleep watching this one.
Yeah.
My boyfriend
Thriller
said he
Bark.
my phone will still be playing this fucking video.
Never ever watched that.
Do I have a
After
problem?
this,
Be
Submit
honest with me, do I have a
War.
problem? 'Cause
I
don't
mean,
consume
sure.
any other person's content like I consume
The
this content.
Egghead.
Like, they're just why? Why are they so addicted?
Revere, I haven't even did yet.
Johnson's videos
Fishman,
are
I don't know
fucking
anything about that. Talking Cousin? Sure. Also do here. Casrosa. Nah. Zoo.
A 72-year-old retired high school teacher named
Nah.
Paul Johnson.
Sure.
I
No. Yeah, that's a
I
quick
fall
one.
asleep watching this.
Okay, this is the one about Black's
Hand over
Fruit.
your phone. Put on the
Oh
uniform.
my gosh.
Scan
Oh
your
no, I
fingerprints.
lost
From
the
this
website.
moment
Oh
on,
my
there are
gosh.
no billionaires here,
Wait,
just survivors.
oh no.
The place has
Okay, let's
gardens,
go to video
playgrounds,
games
even
and
a
scroll
heated
back.
spa. Honestly, it
Oh,
feels
shit.
like paradise. Then dinner comes around.
Okay,
and
now we
Max
get
runs
kicked.
into someone who wants him dead, because Max is the reason his daughter is gone. Drunk driving. The moment they lock eyes, the air
Barrier?
goes dead silent. Right as it's about to
D.
explode, the manager walks in with
Blizzard,
the whole
yeah,
crew.
sure.
No fighting. You throw a punch,
Bomb.
you're out. Because this
Sure,
place
yeah,
has to
sure.
run for decades.
Buddha.
The manager leaves. Guillermo, still fuming, heads to the bar. 2 sips in, the whole bunker starts shaking. Screens
Ew.
flickering, bookshelves tipping over. Then a massive boulder tears straight through the wall. Alarms everywhere. Everyone gets rushed
Whoa.
to the deepest level, the dome. But Asia
Good for
turns
grinding.
around, goes the opposite
But then
direction.
this is
Her
just
dad
a
is
new
still back there.
update.
She gets close to the bar and finds Max
Yeah.
and his father already carrying her dad out. Staff rushes
Go?
them through a shortcut to the emergency elevator. They make it. Then the screens come on. World War III.
Again.
Nuclear strikes across the globe.
Leopard,
The surface
before you
gone.
do that. No. Buns. Flame. Sure. Ooh, gravity.
When the explosion stops,
I don't
the
know.
bunker
It's
loses
okay,
all
yeah.
outside signal. Backup power kicks in. Everyone is
Oh
losing.
no,
it.
it's
The
too
manager
heavy.
tells them to hold
She-
it together. Heads to the control room. That's when Max and Guillermo finally
sorry.
let it go. Then the manager comes back.
Oh,
with
pineapple
news.
fruit.
Power's fully restored, and she's sending 2
fruit,
workers up to the
pineapple
surface
beer.
to fix the signal.
Easter
When the
fruit,
hatch
I know
opens,
what's
it's
there.
hell out there.
Water?
Sand everywhere.
Sure.
Radiation off the charts. 80 degrees. Mountains in the distance. Warped and burned beyond recognition. They push through.
I don't
Almost
know where's
finish the
this
job.
fruit.
Then the wind rips the equipment away. One of them, his glove, melts from the heat. His
lightning?
entire hand goes
I think
numb.
that's
They
not
barely make
lightning.
it back.
Yeah, I think
and
it
now
is.
everyone gives up. They think this is their life now, forever underground.
We did it. They
Sand?
believed everything.
No.
But what none of them know, right at that same moment, up on the lake, the sun is out. People are fishing. A billionaire pulls his son
Yeah.
out of prison.
Oh no,
But
it's
instead of a
fading.
welcome home,
Oh no,
he tells
it's
him he'll never
flying
live a normal
down.
life again because he got word the world is ending and they have ours.
No.
Outside, everything's already falling apart. Airports shut down,
Mom.
trains stopped
Yeah.
running, people running everywhere. But he had a plan, a bunker,
Bring.
275
Spider?
meters underground.
Nah,
If they're not
bugs.
there by noon, they don't make
Nah.
it. The second they board
Opposite
the
of
helicopter, they're
bugs.
blindfolded. No one gets to know where this place is. They land near a lake, the entrance underwater. First thing they do
Sure.
when they get
Guys, if you want me to record this,
In this
make
prison,
sure to
every new
like and
inmate has to toss their
subscribe.
shoes.
Check
Everyone
it
walks
out.
barefoot, no exceptions.